Wait lang ah.
May stun ako.
Wait lang, ano ko yung recording ko. Ito. Patay na.
Patay na.
Kill them out. Good. Look at A1. They're trying to come from A7 and A1. Look at them and burst them out. Oh, they're
Dito. Wait lang.
Don't chase them. Relax.
Poke tayo makoy kung ano.
Relax, bro. What the fuck? Relax. Okay, good. Good shit, everyone. Again, we are pretending that we're fucking China, fucking imperialist motherfuckers. We own this island now, bro. What the fuck? Look at A7. Look at A7, bro. We are here and we have our fucking warboats and all they can do is fucking swim, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Guys, let's create a front to A7 and A6 so as soon as it's
Yeah. Range. Ready now.
Ito, pwede. Ay, hindi, wag.
Bomb them out, A7. Bomb them out. Attack them now.
Dito na lang.
Dito muna kayo sa akin. Dito muna.
Nagok ako.
Oh, sige, dyan.
Picture ko dyan.
Oh, puto, ina mo makoy.
Patay, ubos.
Sarap. Ito pa. Mag-isa.
Yung terrain. Wait lang. Hindi ako makaano ng mais.
Puto, ina sarap ng makoy.
Ito.
Dami nun.
Ito mati. Low.
Hindi kita mahanap ano.
Rose hit. Patay na. Kailang. Hindi na need ng dev.
Flip ako. Stay in the fucking water, let them realize they're fucking playing mermaid games, bro. What the fuck? This is not DSL. This is fucking island defense, bro. What the fuck? Let them think about the reasons now. They're gonna call numbers, they're gonna call whatever the fuck their grandmas, bro. But we're gonna give them hell.
sharks, right?
Yeah, bro. What the
Ginawang
fuck?
mermaid.
The Chinese, not even the sharks. We're the fucking Chinese warboats in the
Taiwan
fucking
was the
small
island,
island.
not China. Come
Bro, China has been making islands, bro.
Parang
Good ano yan.
Let the fucking God help them, bro. Let them call all their gods, bro. We're gonna give them hell, bro. What the fuck? Okay, they're coming out.
Dito ah. Dito lang tayo.
Nagwa 1k yung ano ko.
Wag yan, mabait dyan. Dito lang.
Ito. Hook.
Wait lang, ginagawa ko, wait lang. Kita nyo yung target ko? Yung target ko nga.
Wait lang ah. Nag 1k yung ping ko. Sige. Kailang.
Buff kita, Oro.
Wait lang.
Crouch.
Wala.
Sa right ko. Meron dito. Yun na.
Nag 1.3k yung ping ko.
Ito. Bagong ano.
Disable ako.
Patay.
We need people inside the island. Continue fighting. Very good.
Hindi buff tika kit.
Ito low.
Sige.
Patay.
You're dead. Come back immediately.
Paspas sila mga matay.
And don't chase them out. If you're a range DPS, make sure you utilize your
Pero ako sa bun.
Continue fighting. We're winning. Continue fighting. Just continue fighting. Very
May
good.
susulti
Clear out the
yun.
stragglers if there are-
Asan? Patayin natin.
May susulti, Mark.
Patay na.
Very good.
Oh, allergic pa naman ako sa mga ganyan.
We are only 3 in our
Well,
party.
us,
It's
bro.
so fucking sad. But it's okay,
Guys.
bro.
Need ko ng magandang performance.
Para.
Let's wait for them again.
Aba.
If they're better, they're gonna
Kikikik ka na?
win, and they're gonna try
Ha?
to pincer, but
Bilandir
I don't know what they want.
Bumili?
They don't
Isa yan,
want.
hindi. Isa yan sa
Jumping
ano.
up and down at A7 right now. We need to
Yung sa chest?
because
Yeah,
if they can't get onto the
yeah.
land,
Parang
then
Yun, no? Hindi, kunin natin. Oo, kunin natin.
we will give them
Ako na
the
to.
best of Mati.
Ako na to, guys.
Makoy, mag-tank ka na, Makoy.
Sige.
Focus nyo ako. Lahat ng enchanting time.
Stun lang ako dito, Mati.
Joke lang.
Sige, target.
Dito sila sa ano.
Dito sa bridge.
Debuff.
Bridge lang ah.
Okay. Ay, puti. Ayun, stun. Need deals. Sakit ng magic.
Wait lang ah.
Smoke screen ako.
Sige.
Hindi ka, Oro.
Sige. Lang ah.
Ito na lang sa gilid. Madaming dito. Madaming free hit dito sa likod.
Guzilla.
Clear out A6 and A5.
Hindi mag-hook ako.
Ang kulit mo, Tax. Ang kulit mo, Tax. Legit.
Ayun, hook. Ayun.
Ito. Aldinov. Sa likod. Patay. May bago may bagong target.
Sige, yan.
Sige.
Ito.
Salty ka pala.
Yan yung sa bridge yung dalawa.
Wrong.
Okay, nasa rin lang.
Patay.
Continue fighting. If you race again, maximize your DPS. Maximize your DPS.
Galag din ko. Delay kaya tanan.
Islita lang lang tanan, bro.
Lock with choice.
Hold the fucking door. Just hold your ground and fight. Hold your ground and fucking fight. Good shit. Maximize your range. Make sure you
Wala
fucking
akong hook, wala akong
down
Ay, sorry,
the
Makoy,
target,
sorry, Makoy.
bro.
Sige.
Fight them out.
Ay, patay ako.
Good
Sige lang.
shit.
Devo up.
Good. We're playing so well, my guys. We're playing so fucking well.
Hook.
God, bro. Go. Clear them out. They're coming back. Just push them out from A7. If you're dead,
Ito.
they're
Ayun,
coming from the A7
napatay na.
side. They're coming from the A7
Ito.
side. Clear out these fucking stragglers. Valentina,
Sa ano?
who the fuck is this?
Wait.
Is that where the what the
Ayun na.
fuck? Very good. Look now at A1.
Lupad
They're
sa
coming in at
sulti.
A1.
Nag-ano sila,
They're coming in at
nag-zombie
A1.
sila.
Push too much.
Sige.
Ay, bumalik.
Na tornado.
We're fucking not letting them in. We're not letting them in. Let them push. No need to fucking chase them. If you
Sorry,
fucking chase
Salty.
them,
Eto,
you
naku.
fucking
May nakahook sa
put them
kanya.
out. Okay, if you want to fight them, let's go. Fucking fight them. Okay.
Hook ako.
Let the Antonelico party.
Na-block.
Relax. If you don't need
Perfect
to
block.
fucking chase that far.
Kung namamatay sa burn yung isa.
But if you're taking too long, come back. Okay, we're waiting again. Very good.
Tara, mati.
Perfect.
Wait lang.
Make sure you regret the decision.
Naka-support ako sa'yo, Mati.
Okay, very good.
Sorry, Salty. Wrong move.
Tara, tulungan natin si Bulwark.
Again, as what Elvin said, make
Wala,
sure
urot
you're
na.
Babalik na.
maximizing
Ubos
your
sila,
range
ubos.
from A7 because you can actually shoot the
Wrong team,
Shoot
Salty.
them up while they're swimming. Shoot them up. If your range DPS come here on A7 and A6 and maximize your range, you can even go to this little rock by that bush.
Yan, sir.
Dito pa rin ha, dito pa rin tayo.
Let's fucking go.
Okay,
They're
sige.
coming in. Relax and hit them
Dito
up.
na lang ako
Hit them
mag-hook,
up,
oh, ang
hit them
dami.
up now, hit them up now. A7,
Ito.
look at A7,
Ayun.
Nice pulse.
Ito, na-stun.
Wait lang.
Wait, guys, go.
Look at A6 and A7.
Wait lang, ah. Pinofocus ako eh.
Devo up.
Make sure you defend the fucking capturers. Very good. We're collapsing on A7. Look at A7.
Slowly. Low.
Very good. Just continue
Wait lang, may pinofocus kami. Ano.
Sige.
Ang trees ba? Huwag mo gisamukan.
Yan.
Wait, mamatay ito.
Like, samok yun siya.
Tornado ako sa ano? Sa yung...
Samok siya nga, map.
Alam, Makoy, sorry.
Samok yun siya nga map.
Don't rush on A4. Just kill.
May bago ah.
Bona.
Galang. No pressure.
If they have killed someone, it's
Tangina,
fine. If not,
nagsuspike talaga yung
kill them
ping.
out if they're coming up. Good comes by that. Whoever was that, I love you, Pablo.
Nakatingin ako sa'yo, Mati.
Very good. Kill them out. They're here at the stone now. If you're
Na-stun
not
ko,
on
Mat, ha?
A4,
Na-stun
fight
ako.
in the stone.
Ah.
We need to clear these people on A2. One party
Wait
on
lang.
A2. They're
Go.
scrambling to run. Don't let them run. Kill them out.
Ito na lang. Bago.
Sige.
Liberator na nagpaharap.
Dead na.
Nice one.
Dead na. Ito.
Wait lang, ah.
Go. Ayun.
Clear all the stragglers on A1. Look at A1.
Tax,
Ay,
slow.
Okay, tax.
So many people on A4, bro. Come back here. We need
Dead.
A7 people. A7. Good listening.
Devo up.
Wag si Salty. Ito na lang.
2 seconds. May 2 seconds ako ha.
They're coming from A6 and A7. Very good. Fight them out.
Ito, hook. Ayun. Na-stun.
Swally.
Go. Oh, dead na. Wala na, wipe.
They're gathering numbers on A1. They're gathering
No,
numbers on
why?
Push natin to. Dito.
Again, range.
Sige, wala akong hook pero may stun ako ha.
Good
Sige,
pull,
wait lang.
good pull. If you're attacked, you can pull them
Wala.
out. If you're
Patay na.
rescued, you can shoot them
Patay
while
na.
they're streaming.
Ilasin ni Mati.
Ayun yan. Mababa pa kills ko guys.
Ilan na?
26:45.
Ang bilis silang mamatay eh.
Hmm?
Ang bilis nilang mamatay so...
Bakit ilan sa'yo, Makoy?
Copy.
14?
Good call. Okay.
Lul.
First assist? 41 assist?
Gotta respect this.
43.
Yeah. Serve it for the last 4 to 3 minutes. Don't use Guardian because it's gonna cool down if you're gonna use it now. Alright. Relax. You're relaxing. We are looking on A7. They might go shenanigans from A4. Just continue on scouting. Good talks with the people. But most of their numbers will be coming from
Yung
A6.
So yung sa 8 tsaka 3, dun sa kanila lahat yung kills.
You're gonna tell them,